Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sulistyorini from University Semarang, and my team, Citra Adriani Kusumawati from University Semarang, Ayu Nurahmi Octavia from University Semarang, Bagus Satria Waluyo Putra from Unisula, Masin Selahanti from University Semarang. With the title, Efforts to Improve Performance Through Training with Moderation of Work Disciplines, a study of Cabian Village Cedres in Demak. Background. Service at the Integrated Hill Post, Posyandu, are carried out by hill folks and village cedres. Service profit to the community must comply with established procedures. The purpose of Posyandu is to serve as a platform for community empowerment, transferring information and skill from staff to the community, accelerating the reduction of maternal, infant, and toddler mortality rates. Therefore, children and health workers must continually adapt their workforce to various knowledge and skill and improve their performance. Performance is the achievement of employees within an organization and serves as a benchmark for organizational success. Rumijati 2020. Work that aligns with job description is expert to be complete on time and meet quality and quantity standards. Employees can perform well if they have mixed performance, result in excellent work. This is in line with the opinion of Boizu et al. 2018 that performance is the work result achieved by individuals and groups within a company according to their respect responsibilities in order to achieve the company's goals. Research gap. The sort of this research problem also stems from the limitation and gap in previous research. Kostianti and Sunardi 2021 state that training has a significant effect on employee performance in their study entitled The Effects of Training on Performance at PT Satria Piranti Perkasa Tangerang City. However, this contradicts the research conducted by Andayani 2021, which shows that training does not have a significant effect on employee performance in his results entitled The Effect of Training and Human Resource Development on Employee Performance at PT Pos Indonesia Magelang City Branch. Formulation of the problem, how to improve the performance of children in Cabian Village Demak Regency. Research methodology. Research subject. Population and sample. Population is a collecting of all elements that appear in an event. Ferdinand Augusti, 2030. In this study, the population in question is children in Cabian Village, Demak Regency. The population in this study includes all children of Cabian Village, totally 42 people. The sample is defined as the subject of the population or part of the population that is the object for research. Ferdinand Augusti 2013. This study applies the sampling technique with the statutory sampling method, according to Sugiono 2017. The statutory sampling technique is a method in determining the sample width in which all members of the population are sampled. Thus, the sampling in this study is Alcedres in Cabai and Demak. Regency consisting of 42 people. Framework thinking theoretical training X1 work discipline Z, children performance Z. Figure 1 theoretical framework. Research variable, independent variable, training X1. Mediasi variable, work discipline Z. Dependent variable, performance of children Y1. Data analysis method, PLSM, partial least square, structural equation modeling, program Smart PLS 4.0. Results and discussion. PLS result, figure PLS results. Table 1, reliability test. Reliability test variables have a composite reliability value 0.17, meaning they have a good reliability value and can be used for further research process. All constructs in this study have met the requirement to be said to be reliable because they have profit and output value of prospect alpha 0.60. Table 2, adjust R-square. From table 2, it can be seen that the adjust R-square value based on the analysis of the coefficient of determination conducted. It can be concluded that the R-square value for the stimulation influence between training X1 and work discipline M on children's performance Y. Research 0.807 with an adjusted R-square value of 0.793. Thus, it can be understood that our exogenous construct X1 and M stimulationally affect Y by 0.807 or 8.7%, considering that the adjusted R-square is more than 7x%. The influencer of all exogenous construct X1 and M on Y is included in the significant category. Hypothesis testing. Table 3, hypothesis testing in general direct. The influence of training on shadow performance based on the result of the PLS test output of the process data above. The first hypothesis is achieved as seen from the path coefficient value of 0.492 with a p-value of 0.001, significant 0.05. So it can be concluded that training has a positive and significant effect on child performance. The influence of work discipline on child performance based on the result of the PLS test output of the process data above. The two hypothesis is achieved as seen from the path coefficient value of 0.438 with a p-value of 0.001, significant 0.05. So it can be concluded that work discipline has a positive and significant effect on child performance. Table 4, hypothesis testing in moderating. The influence of work discipline in moderating training on child performance. Based on the result of the PLS analysis that has been processed from the data above, the interaction between the training variable and the moderating variable of work discipline related to child performance shows an original sample estimate value of negative 0.34 and a statistic with a value of 0.508, which is small that the t-table 1.68, as well as a p-value of 0.709, which is here that the significant level 0.05. From this, it can be concluded the work discipline does not have the ability to moderate the impact of training on child performance. The inability of work discipline to moderate the influence of training on child performance indicates that work discipline does not play a role in strengthening the improvement in child performance caused by training. Conclusion, research findings and discuss indicate that training significantly improve the performance of child in Chabian Village, Demak. This means that appropriate training program can help children learn more, develop better in their jobs, and improve their attitude, which in turn makes it easier for them to carry out their duties. Furthermore, work discipline has been shown to have a significant and positive influence on how well children perform their duties. Children can work more efficiently and complete more work when they comply with regulation, arrive on time, and carry out their responsibility consistently. This contributes to improve overall performance. The result of the moderating study indicates that work discipline does not alter the relationship between training and child performance. This suggests that training and work discipline influence child performance separately, without affect the strength or weakness of each. Both variables directly improve child performance. However, the interaction between two does not significantly impact each other. Thank you.